Good afternoon, everybody. Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. Talk about an oldie but a goodie. I got one for you right here, baby. This is my old delivery truck from about 2007 to 2013. And as you can see, she has seen better days. Oh my God. Yeah. Seen better days. She's been buried down there in the woods, and we just drug her out. I think we are giving it to some guy that wants to fix it up. It's got a new set of damn tires on it when it was parked about 6 years ago. This was full of mold. Oh my God, it stinks in here. Dangerous, dangerous, dangerous. Parked with the window cracked. I forgot what year this truck was. It was a 2000, I think, or an 01. It's got the 4.8 in it. It was a good old truck, man. Hauled butt. I could do burnout for days in this thing. Oh yeah, I forgot. Somebody had ran a red light and hit me. I forgot all about that. It's been banged out some. I don't know what the hell they're attempting to do with this thing. But as you can tell, it is pretty much a parts truck now. But it had the 4.8 in it, which was unusual, and it would really get up and go. It had about 300,000 on it, I think, when the bottom end went. It's got a hole in the block now. But yeah, we got several old trucks here. Well, y'all have seen that one. Let's see. I've got this one I need to do a video on. This is a 2002 3500, and it only has 20,000 miles. I'll get y'all a walk around video, maybe in my test drive on this one. I don't see the keys in it. I need to find the keys. But this is a badass little truck right here. Got the dump bed. The sides fold down. Like I said, it's only got 20 or 25,000 miles. The miles on it's real low. Yeah, it's locked up. It was an AT&T truck, believe it or not. Swapped the bed out, and our welders made this bed for it, this dump bed. Pretty cool. Anyway, I just wanted to get a little video of my old delivery truck. Hadn't seen it in a while. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you next time. Peace.